Next tonight, lawmakers in Albany have made their next move in response to the Supreme Court overturning certain concealed carry laws in New York State.
New legislation signed into law by the governor earlier this month lays out a new approach to New Yorkers looking to carry handguns in public. But one element is gaining extra attention from both sides of the gun rights debate. People who want to carry concealed handguns will have to hand over their social media accounts first.
Now, this new legislation takes effect in September. It will require concealed carry applicants to complete a firearm training course. It enhances safe storage requirements and requires background checks for all ammunition purchases. Applicants will also need to list any social media accounts they've had over the last 3 years. The state says this will help the team reviewing the applications to confirm an applicant's character and conduct.
The governor backing up this legislation with research that shows violent crime increases 29% when people are able to carry handguns in public. Gun theft also increases while the rate of solved cases for police decreases. Tonight, I'm going in depth on what this change means and the legal challenges it could face now moving forward. It was what Governor Kathy Hochul called swift action in the face of, quote, a monumental setback by the Supreme Court. The governor signing new gun legislation, including new guidelines for concealed carry permits, which would require applicants to supply their social media accounts for review. It's a change that has come with Democratic support, but also has experts raising plenty of questions.
I think they can legitimately ask for a person to disclose a social media account.
Peter Vasilian is an attorney with 20 years of experience working with gun laws. He tells me it's not the social media requirement he has issue with, but rather how the information gathered will be interpreted.
They're asking for that information to determine whether or not the person possesses sufficient good moral character, right? And that's subjective. I think that's what I have a problem with.
I've never seen anything like this.
Arun Vishwanath is a cybersecurity expert. He believes that implementing a program to sift through years of social media records is going to be difficult.
This is hard to do because a lot of this is nuanced. It requires context. And whenever we look at these kind of, trying to wipe the guns in the wrong hands, we're talking about edge cases. What's an edge case? These are extreme cases. It's going to be that one person who you missed, which didn't have those obvious tells.
Legal challenges have already popped up, including one filed yesterday in the Southern District of New York by California attorney Jonathan Corbett. Corbett tells me in a statement that the governor, quote, cannot circumvent the court's ruling by finding new ways to make it impossible for the ordinary law-abiding citizen to secure a gun license. Still, the governor today defending the new regulations.
We are doing everything we can, despite the Supreme Court and despite the fact that there are a lot of pressures and voices against what we're doing. We're going to continue to stand up and protect New Yorkers.
Now, our experts are saying if you are applying for a handgun permit and need help with the process, they urge you to reach out to a local attorney who could perhaps help you through it. Some may even offer their help at little or no charge.
Yeah, new things to navigate.
Yes,
all right.
for sure.